Is the statement below true or false?
The unit of measure of push or pull is Newton.
Is the statement below true or false?
Gravitational and electrical forces are examples of contact force.
Is the statement below true or false?
Strength and direction are the characteristics of force.
Is the statement below true or false?
Direct contact with another object is known as contact force.
Is the statement below true or false?
The position of motion on either an horizontal line or a vertical line is considered to be a vector quantity, because the two directions are either right and left or up and down.
Is the statement below true or false?
Forces in action-reaction pair are equal.
Is the statement below true or false?
Forces in action-reaction pair are not equal.
Is the statement below true or false?
Whenever one object exerts a force on a second object, the second object exerts an equal and opposite force on the first.
Is the statement below true or false?
The velocity of a particle is always positive.
Is the statement below true or false?
If the position of a particle is 0, then the velocity must be non-zero.
Is the statement below true or false?
The velocity of a particle is equal to the slope of the displacement time graph.
Is the statement below true or false?
An object will slide in a straight line indefinitely, if and only if the surface is frictionless.
Is the statement below true or false?
There is no net force on an object at rest and an object moving with constant velocity.
Is the statement below true or false?
Either a change in magnitude or direction is needed for there to be any change in velocity.
Is the statement below true or false?
Friction is not the cause of slowing a moving object.
Is the statement below true or false?
Some objects have more inertia than the others.
Is the statement below true or false?
The inertia of an object is measured by its mass.
Is the statement below true or false?
Mass of an object is the same everywhere, either on Earth or in the Moon.
Is the statement below true or false?
Weight of an object is the same everywhere, either on Earth or in the Moon.
Is the statement below true or false? We share
Tutorial questions and answers.
It is all about understanding facts and sharing with others.
Learning continues. We are learning to know, understand, and share with others.
Please subscribe to our channel if you like our videos.